So this is how you can disable the audio of overlay in a Capcut on your iPad. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to Foxtecc because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. So in order to put one video on the top of each other, you need to select it in the timeline and click on the overlay feature. Now in the timeline, it's going to move below, right? But it's actually laying on the top of your existing video. So it's kind of like order in reverse in the timeline, if that makes sense. But the point is that if you want to disable the audio of overlay, you need to select it in the timeline. So it's not going to be the thing on the top, but the thing on the bottom. Once you have that selected, click on volume and it just dial down the volume to 0, right? It only applies to the overlay, so the remaining clips, like the one below, will just stay as it is. Nothing really will apply to it. So this is how you can disable the audio of overlay. Obviously, if you have more clips laying on your background layer, then you have to just disable the audio for all of them separately. But this is how you can do this. Let me know if you managed to successfully do what you needed with your Capcut project. For any additional questions, the comment section is for you right there. But thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.